Students, today we are going to learn balance sheet with adjustments. Preparation of balance sheet with adjustment. Normally we will prepare balance sheet without adjustments, but in this problem a balance sheet to be prepared with adjustments. This question I have taken from Tamil Nadu government 11th standard textbook. Look at the question now. From the following particulars, prepare balance sheet of Madhu for the year ended 31st March 2018. Items are given. The following adjustments were made at the time of preparing final accounts. Outstanding liabilities, salary, wages, interest on overdraft. Outstanding. So we have to add with the overdraft. Interest on loan outstanding, we should add with the loan from bank. Then provide interest on capital. We have adjustment with the capital. Bad debts amounting to 10,000 and make a provision for bad and doubtful debts 10% on debtor. So we have two adjustment for debtor. Then closing stock we need not to mark. Depreciate vehicle by 10%. So we have adjustment for vehicle. Then net profit. Net profit to be added with the capital. Now before preparing balance sheet, first we have to draw the format. Balance sheet of Madhu as on 31st March 2018. Liability asset, capital plus net profit minus drawing minus income tax. Now the first item is capital. Value 2 lakh appears in the liability side. Next we have drawing. Drawing liability side to be deducted from capital. Then cash in hand. It is an asset. Cash in hand. It is an asset 15,000. Next we have loan from bank. We have adjustment for that. Loan from bank. Value 40,000. We have adjustment, so we have to leave one line. Then bank overdraft. We have adjustment for bank overdraft, so we have to leave one line for bank overdraft. Next, investment is an asset. Investments is an asset. Bills receivable is an asset. Value 10,000. Then creditor is a liability. Creditor is a liability. Value 40,000. Next we have bills payable. Next we have bills payable. Value 20,000. Next we have goodwill. Goodwill is an asset. Goodwill is an asset. Value 60,000. Debtor has two adjustment. I said earlier, if debtor has one adjustment, we have to leave one line. If we have two adjustment, we have to leave three lines. So debtor should be recorded in the inner column. We have to leave three lines because it has two adjustment. Then land and building. Land and building. No adjustment, we can write in the outer column. Next, vehicles. Vehicles, we have adjustment, should be recorded in the inner column. Next, cash at bank, we do not have adjustment, we can record in the outer column. Value 25,000. Now look at the adjustment. Outstanding liability. So outstanding salary is a liability recorded in the liability side. Outstanding salary. Value 10,000. Next, outstanding wages. Outstanding wages also liability. Value 20,000. Outstanding interest on overdraft should be added with the overdraft. Interest on overdraft should be added with the overdraft. We should not write separately. It should be added with the overdraft. Likewise, interest on loan outstanding should be added with the bank loan. Interest on loan outstanding, value 6,000, so total 46,000. Then provide interest on capital. Interest on capital should be added with capital. Interest on capital should be added with the capital. Rate of interest 10%, we should calculate on the capital. So on 2 lakh, we should provide 10%, 20,000. Next, bad debts amounting to 10,000. Bad debts should be deducted from debtor. That is a new bad debts deducted from debtor. Value 10,000. Balance 70,000. On that we should make provision for bad and doubtful debts, new, its value 10% on debtor. So 7,000, balance 63,000 recorded in the outer column. Then closing stock to be recorded in the asset side. Closing stock to be recorded in the asset side, 1,20,000. Then depreciate vehicle by 10%. We have to deduct depreciation from the concerned fixed asset. So depreciation at 10% on 80,000, 10% 8,000. So balance 72,000. Then net profit 96,000 should be added with the capital. Now I am going to balance it. So 2,96,000 minus drawing 2,56,000. No income tax, 2,56,000. Add this, we'll get to 2,76,000. We are going to balance this. We'll get 4,35,000. 4,35,000. Students, we learned direct preparation of balance sheet with the adjustments. Students, we completed preparation of balance sheet with adjustment. One student requested me to explain about the adjusted purchase. Now I am going to explain about the method of calculation of adjusted purchase. There are two methods widely used. First method is opening stock of raw material plus net purchase of raw material minus closing stock of raw material. Opening stock of raw material plus net purchase of raw material minus closing stock of raw material. We have to find net purchase. What do you mean by net purchase? Very simple. Cash purchase plus credit purchase equal to total purchase minus purchase returns. Cash purchase plus credit purchase equal to total purchase minus purchase return. That is called net purchase. So if we apply this formula, we will get adjusted purchase. Formula number 1. Formula number 2, net purchase, net purchases plus opening stock minus closing stock. Net purchases plus opening stock minus closing stock. Student, listen carefully. In final accounts, if net purchase is given, definitely opening stock will not be given. So we should debit the net purchase to the trading account. Along with that, closing stock will be given. It should not be credited to the trading account. It should be recorded in the asset side of balance sheet. Opening stock will not be given. Why it will not be given? Because already it was added with the purchase. Okay student, successfully we completed final accounts. In next class we will see the next chapter. Till then, bye and thank you.